Cause you can, you won't, and you don't stop. Cause you can, you won't, and you don't stop. Or when you can, you won't, and you don't stop.
Mike D coming rock the show shine.
I got the brand new dude, you guaranteed like you. I'm on like that's a job, yeah, Mr. Zeus. I'm a newlywed, but not a divorcee. And everything I do is funky like Lee Dorsey. Well, it's a taking off the bell on 1, 2, 3. If you wanna do the round, then come see me. I got the savoir-faire with the unique rhyming. I keep it on and on, it's never quitting timing. Strictly handheld is the style I go. Never rock the mic with the pantyhose. And strap on my ear goggles and I'm ready to go. Cause at the boards it's the man they call him Mario. Pull up at the function and you know I'm Kodak. To all the party people that are on my Prozac. I got more action than my man John Woo. And I got mad hits like I was Rod Carew. Because you can, you won't, and you don't stop. Because you can, you won't, and you don't stop. You know you can, you won't, and you don't stop.
And rock coming rock the show shine.
Chain of course fade on your ass and bust the eardrums. Listen everybody, cause I'm shifting gears. I'm fresh like doggy when I get my specs in. On the microphone I come correct. Timing like a clock when I rock the hip hop. The top notch is my stock in the soapbox. I got more rhymes than I got great hands. And that's a lot because it got me shit. I got a hole in my head and there's no one to fix. I gotta straighten my thoughts. I'm thinking too much sick shit. Everyone just takes and takes. So I step back. I got a cut to play. I'm like Lee Perry. I'm very on rock the microphone. And then I'm gone. I'm like Vaughn Cody. I'm a Gene Swinson. Never quitting. So won't you listen?
Ah, yes, indeed, it's fun time, fun time.
Because you can, you won't, and you don't stop. Because you can, you won't, and you don't stop. Or when you can, you won't, and you don't stop.
It's EA coming rock the show shine.
I wanna say a little something that's all overdue. The disrespect of women has got to be due to all the mothers and the sisters and the wives and friends. I wanna offer my love and respect to the end. Well, you say I'm 20-something, then I should be slugging, but I'm working harder than ever. And you can call it back and so on. So to sit up on the couch and watching my TV, still listen to wax. I'm not using the CT. Well, I'm that kid in the corner, all fucked up, and I wonder so I'm gonna take a piece of the pie. Why not? I'm not quitting. Think I'ma change up my style just to fit in. I keep my underwear, piece of my plastic, use bullshit, bullshit. It's not in a plastic, I'm just my mind, sound, to all the nation. Like my bell, I got the ill communication. Cause you can, and you don't stop. Cause you can, and you don't stop. Or when you can, you won't, and you don't stop.
Born and a rockin' the show shine.
Great nation. Great nation. Great nation. Great nation. Great nation.
I want to climax sorrow.
Great nation. Great nation. Great nation.